Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 10 best places to visit in Europe this year. Europe is one of the most popular travel destinations in the world and has something for everyone. We've done our research and picked out the 10 best places to visit in Europe this year based on a few criteria, such as scenic beauty, cultural experiences, food, and entertainment. So, let's get started. Our first stop is Amsterdam, Netherlands. Amsterdam is famous for its picturesque canals, narrow houses, and cycling routes. It's also known for its vibrant nightlife, museums, and art galleries. The top attractions to visit in Amsterdam include the Rijksmuseum, the Van Gogh Museum, and the Anne Frank House. Amsterdam is famous for its picturesque canals, which are over 100 kilometers long, and were declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2010. The Rijksmuseum houses an extensive collection of Dutch art and history, including works by Vermeer, Rembrandt, and Van Gogh. The Van Gogh Museum is dedicated to the life and work of Vincent van Gogh and contains over 200 of his paintings, including the famous sunflowers. The Anne Frank House is a museum that preserves the hiding place, where Anne Frank wrote her diary during World War II. Next up, we have Santorini, Greece. Santorini is known for its beautiful white and blue buildings, stunning sunsets, and crystal clear waters. The top attractions to visit in Santorini include the black sand beaches, the Red Beach, and the ancient city of Akrotiri. Santorini is a volcanic island in the Aegean Sea that was formed by a massive volcanic eruption in the 16th century BC. The black sand beaches in Santorini are made up of volcanic ash and are some of the most unique and stunning beaches in the world. The Red Beach is a must-visit destination in Santorini due to its unique red-colored sand and stunning cliffs. The ancient city of Akrotiri is a well-preserved Minoan settlement that was buried by the volcanic eruption. Our third destination is Florence, Italy. Florence is famous for its beautiful Renaissance art, stunning architecture, and delicious cuisine. The top attractions to visit in Florence include the Uffizi Gallery, the Accademia Gallery, and the Ponte Vecchio. Florence is known for being the birthplace of the Renaissance and is home to many world-renowned museums and galleries. The Uffizi Gallery is one of the most famous art museums in the world and houses works by Michelangelo, Botticelli, and Leonardo da Vinci. The Accademia Gallery is home to Michelangelo's famous sculpture of David and many other works of art. The Ponte Vecchio is a famous bridge that spans the Arno River and is lined with shops selling jewelry and souvenirs. Moving on, we have Dubrovnik, Croatia. Dubrovnik is famous for its fortified walls, stunning views, and crystal clear waters. The top attractions to visit in Dubrovnik include the Old Town, the city walls, and the Lokrum Island. Dubrovnik is a well-preserved medieval city that is surrounded by fortified walls and towers. The Old Town of Dubrovnik is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to many historical buildings and churches. The city walls offer stunning views of the city and the Adriatic Sea and are a must-visit destination in Dubrovnik. Lokrum Island is a nearby nature reserve that is home to peacocks, rabbits, and many other animals. Our fifth destination is Vienna, Austria. Vienna is famous for its stunning architecture, classical music, and delicious coffee. The top attractions to visit in Vienna include the Schönbrunn Palace, the Vienna State Opera, and the St. Stephen's Cathedral. Vienna is known for its rich history and is home to many world-renowned museums and galleries. The Schönbrunn Palace is a former imperial summer residence that is famous for its stunning gardens and architecture. The Vienna State Opera is one of the most famous opera houses in the world and hosts many world-class performances. St. Stephen's Cathedral is a stunning Gothic cathedral that is one of the most recognizable landmarks in Vienna. Next, we have Edinburgh, Scotland. Edinburgh is known for its stunning medieval architecture, rich history, and scenic beauty. The top attractions to visit in Edinburgh include the Edinburgh Castle, the Royal Botanic Garden, and the Royal Mile. Edinburgh is known for its stunning medieval architecture and rich history. Edinburgh Castle is a must-visit destination in Edinburgh and is located on top of an extinct volcano. The Royal Botanic Garden is a beautiful garden that is home to many rare and exotic plants. The Royal Mile is a historic street that is lined with many shops, restaurants, and historical attractions. Our seventh destination is Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona is famous for its stunning architecture, beautiful beaches, and delicious food. The top attractions to visit in Barcelona include the Sagrada Familia, the Parc Güell, and the La Rambla Street. Barcelona is known for its stunning architecture and is home to many world-renowned landmarks. The Sagrada Familia is a famous church that is still under construction and is considered one of the most famous landmarks in the world. Parc Güell is a famous park that was designed by Antoni Gaudí and is famous for its stunning architecture and beautiful views of the city. La Rambla Street is a famous pedestrian street that is lined with shops, restaurants, and street performers. Moving on, we have Budapest, Hungary. Budapest is known for its stunning architecture, thermal baths, and vibrant nightlife. The top attractions to visit in Budapest include the Buda Castle, the Fisherman's Bastion, and the Széchenyi thermal baths. Berlin is known for its rich history and is home to many world-renowned museums and galleries. The Berlin Wall is a famous landmark that once divided the city and is now a popular tourist attraction. The Brandenburg Gate is a famous neoclassical monument that was built in the late 18th century and is now a symbol of the reunification of Germany. The Museum Island is home to 5 world-renowned museums, including the Pergamon Museum and the News Museum. Our 9th destination is Paris, France. Paris is famous for its stunning architecture, beautiful gardens, and delicious cuisine. The top attractions to visit in Paris include the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and the Notre Dame Cathedral. Prague is known for its stunning architecture and rich history. The Charles Bridge is a famous pedestrian bridge that spans the Vltava River and offers stunning views of the city. The Old Town Square is a historic square that is home to many landmarks, including the astronomical clock and the Gothic Church of Our Lady before Tin. The Prague Castle is a stunning castle complex that is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the city. Lastly, we have Stockholm, Sweden. Stockholm is known for its stunning archipelago, beautiful old town, and rich culture. The top attractions to visit in Stockholm include the Vasa Museum, the Gamla Stan, and the Skansen Open Air Museum, and is home to many famous works of art, including the Mona Lisa. The Notre Dame Cathedral is a famous Gothic cathedral that is currently undergoing restoration after a devastating fire in 2019. That's it for our top 10 best places to visit in Europe this year. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in planning your next trip to Europe. Let us know in the comments which destination you would like to visit the most.